Hi everyone. Today the topic that we are going to study is about a very unique and interesting creature that we have just found, and that is monkey dactyl. We've found so much interesting things about this creature that we are going to explore each one of them in this class. Also make sure that you join our Telegram channel in order to get the class PDF. Now this monkey dactyl topic is very important for your upcoming preliminary examination. So make sure that you are ready with your notes and pen and copy in order to take them down. Okay, let's start the class without any delay. Now before we move forward to study this topic, please over here have a little patience and go through this announcement with me that is going to benefit you a lot in your UPSC CSE preparation journey. Unacademy is conducting India's biggest free scholarship test for UPSC aspirants on 18th of April, that is tomorrow at 11 a.m. in the morning. Now this Unacademy Combat is free scholarship test for all of you. It has 60 questions which you have to solve in 60 minutes. Then after every question, after the test gets over, you are going to get detailed analysis by India's best educators and you stand a chance to win from a scholarship pool of 4 crore. To unlock this particular combat on the Unacademy's learning app, you just have to use code ARPITA10. I've given you the link also of Unacademy Combat in the comment section and also in the description box below the video. Make sure that you enroll today. It's free scholarship test. You can stand a chance to win scholarship and also you will get your All India rankings. You can enroll for free. The link is given below in the description box below the video. The test is tomorrow at 11 a.m. in the morning. Please remember the date 18th April 11 a.m. in the morning. Do not miss this test. It's going to help you a lot. Okay, let's start studying the topic monkey dactyl. Now over here in this topic there is a new pterosaur fossil which was discovered in the Taojinshan formation of Liaoning, which is in China. Now this fossil is believed to be 160 million years old. 160 million साल पुराना ये फॉसिल पाया गया है and it has now been described by an international team of researchers from China, Brazil, UK, Denmark, Japan, and it has been named Kunpengopterus. Okay, it's very hard to pronounce it and it is dubbed as monkey dactyl. Now this is easy to pronounce. इसको थोड़ा ना pronounce करना easy रहता है. ये Kunpengopterus antipolycactus. This is very hard to pronounce, right? And very hard to spell as well. But इतना भी hard नहीं है, थोड़ा सा hard है. ठीक है, इसको ना आप short में monkey dactyl बोलते हैं. Researchers ने पाया है, describe किया है इस pterosaur species को with opposable thumbs. Now what do you mean by opposable thumbs? Everybody can see this picture. आप लोग ये picture देख पा रहे हो ना? So this is the picture of opposable thumb. Thumbs that can move against the other digits. That is opposable thumb. ठीक है? So it allows power grip. It allows precision of grip. And also most of the primates have these opposable thumbs. Now if we look at on Google what is opposable thumb, you can see in the image also. Now a thumb that can be placed opposite the fingers of the same hand, those are opposable thumbs. And these thumbs allow the digits to grasp and handle objects and are characteristics of primates. We all have evolved, right? So from the apes, from the primates, and this is the opposable thumb that we all carry. Okay, point clear हो गया यहाँ तक? Now when we talk about the importance of opposable thumb and how did it evolve, over here you can study that anthropogeny defines opposability of the thumb as being able to simultaneously flex, abduct and medially rotate the thumb. जब आप flex कर सकते हो एक साथ thumbs को, rotate कर सकते हो अपने thumbs को, राइट अंगूठे को, हाथ के अंगूठे को medially rotate कर सकते हो, उसको हम opposability बोलते हैं thumbs की. ठीक है? And along with humans, some ancient monkeys and apes also had opposable thumbs. Humans, however, have relatively longer and distally placed thumb. Larger thumb muscles होती है humans की, ठीक है? Longer thumbs होते हैं humans के. This means that humans tip-to-tip precision grip when holding small object is superior as compared to non-human primates. Because of which you can hold a pen. इसी की वजह से तो आप pen hold कर सकते हो, ठीक है? इसी वजह से आप एक needle में thread डाल सकते हो, ठीक है? So the grasping hands of primates developed as a result of their life in the trees. So opposable thumb made it easier for the common ancestor of all the primates to cling on the trees. आपको क्या लगता है trees पे कैसे लटक जाते थे? Opposable thumbs की वजह से. So these monkey dactyls, right? There has been you can say there is a proof or evidence that they also had opposable thumbs. Okay. Now these pterosaur species, they were reptiles, as you can see in the image also. These were reptiles. They were close cousins of the dinosaurs and the first animals after insects to evolve paired flight. Okay. आप देख सकते हो इनकी flight, right? Over here they had wings under their arms. That is why they could fly also. Point clear? So that is opposability of thumb. So here now you can understand that it is a flying reptile with oldest opposable thumbs, and new pterosaur fossil was discovered in China. It is 160 million years old. This is the fossil which was discovered. ये वो fossil था जो discover हुआ था. ये आपको याद रखना है. ठीक है? चलो. So now let's move forward. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now over here you also have to remember that the new pterosaur fossil. Now when we talk about monkey dactyl जो है वो किसका फॉसिल है? वो टीरोसोर फॉसिल है. ये आपको पॉइंट याद रखना है. ठीक है? चलो. Now let's move forward. Over here you can understand that when we talk about the pterosaur species, they were reptiles. That is the close cousins of dinosaurs. ये dinosaurs के close cousins है. ये पॉइंट आपको याद रखना है. ठीक है? So आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's move forward. So we have covered opposable thumbs. We have covered the fossils also. Now before we move forward and before we wrap up the session, here's a small announcement for all of you. आपके लिए एक छोटी सी announcement है. Do not forget to enroll in India's biggest free scholarship test that Unacademy is conducting, Unacademy Combat. I've given you the link also in the description box below the video. So this was all about monkey dactyl. I hope you enjoyed this session about monkey dactyl. I hope आपको ये session informative लगा हो. If you really enjoyed it, then do not forget to share, like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.